Welcome to our comparison video where we pit the Yagud under-desk treadmill against the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons to help you decide which under-desk treadmill is the right fit for your home or office. When it comes to price, the Yagud under-desk treadmill offers a more budget-friendly option at $199, while the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad is a bit pricier at $259. According to reviewers, the Yagud's affordability does not compromise its quality, making it a great value for those looking to integrate more movement into their day without a hefty price tag. On the other hand, the DeerRun's higher price is justified by its advanced features, such as app control, making it appealing for tech-savvy users. Functionality-wise, the Yagud offers a straightforward walking and jogging experience with speeds up to 3.8 miles per hour, suitable for a variety of fitness levels. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and quiet operation, making it ideal for multitasking during work calls or meetings. The DeerRun, however, enhances the user experience with its app-controlled workouts and social media integration, catering to those who enjoy tracking and sharing their fitness progress. In terms of durability and design, both treadmills are equipped with a 2.5 HP motor and offer robust construction. The Yagud can support up to 265 pounds, and its 5-layer non-slip surface is highlighted by reviewers for providing a safe and comfortable walking experience. The DeerRun, supporting up to 300 pounds and featuring a spacious 15.48 inches x 39.48 belt, is praised for accommodating users of all sizes and providing ample walking space, making it the preferred choice for those prioritizing comfort and stability. Overall, reviews for the Yagud under-desk treadmill highlight its quiet operation, ease of use, and compact design, making it a great choice for small spaces and multitasking workers. The DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad, on the other hand, is celebrated for its beginner-friendly features, customizable workouts, and effective integration with the Pat app, appealing to those who seek a more interactive and motivating fitness experience. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Yagud under-desk treadmill and the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to help make your decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description for more details. See you in our next comparison video.